Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How often do you go out with friends?
I meet my friends almost twice a week. I love to spend my weekends with them, and sometimes I visit different places, watch movies, and discuss different topics with them. I do not go out with all of my friends. I mostly hang out with 2 to 3 close buddies and go out with them almost 3 to 4 times a month. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.